Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important related to the essential interview results 2023 because I got so many queries that is related to interview results. Today, some phases interview results is declared for some of the batches, and what about the remaining results? Okay, because I just posted one poll on our WhatsApp group. So as you can see on my screen that 350 plus members are waiting for the interview results. So more than 300 candidates are waiting for the interview results. If you got task mail, what is the next process? And third is waiting for interview results if you completed your interview in July and August. So basically, what do you mean by overall exam performance? Because in the essential interview results status, essential team mentioned that according to your overall performance we will give you update. So what do you mean by overall performance? And if you raise the ticket, so you will got results or not? And what about the process ongoing? And there is an important announcement for all of you that is related to the essential interview updates and the other queries. So in this video we will discuss about all the important points. Let's start. Important point, as you can see on my screen, that like 358 candidates waiting for the particular interview results, 13 candidate waiting for offer letter, and only 17 candidates received the task message today. As well as there is one of the most important point, like if we raise the ticket, okay, we are considering the first query as raise the ticket. Like if you completed your interview and exam, and if you raise the ticket, so you will got result or not. So basically one candidate already raised the ticket on the Essential portal. So he mentioned that, hi team, I had completed my interview on July 31st. It has been 21 days completing from the date of my interview. Can you please look into this, and may I get result of interview? Thank you. So basically support team mentioned that, dear candidate, thank you for participating in the essential process. As per our records, you have attended the interview. We are in the process of reviewing the interview result and shall get back to you with the outcome soon. Okay, and as you can see on my screen that July candidates waiting for result 252 candidates, for August 75 candidates, and 13-16 candidates I got task mail today, and 9 candidates all task is completed, they are waiting for offer letter. So let's discuss about our first query. The 300 candidates are waiting for the particular interview results. So one of the most important point that I have to mention, that many candidates are asking is they are sending the region wise mail update, like region wise or location wise. Like Bangalore or Hyderabad candidates got the mail first, and after that other location candidates will got the mail. Okay, so it will totally depends on the Essential team. It is not confirmed yet, but they are consider the phase and condition process that I have already mentioned in my previous video. Okay, one of the most important point that I have to mention, if you are waiting from the 1st July and 29 July candidate already got the task mail, okay, and still you are waiting for your interview results, so it does not means that like you are rejected for this profile. Okay, if you are rejected, then they will send the mail update, or they will send the update like you are rejected and your profile is not considered. But if your interview performance is good, exam performance is good, I suggest all of you to please wait for your कैंडिशर, क्योंकि कैंडिशर के बिना आपको कोई भी अपडेट नहीं आ सकता. If I am talking about the 29 July and 2 August candidate, today they received the task mail. Okay, but the task mail process is long because many candidates, they are already completed their all task, but still they not receive the offer letter. So most probably the task mail process is not the last process of receiving offer letter, because this is a process you have to submit all of your documents, and if your documents is verified and correct, so then only they will send you the offer letter. So if your interview is good, your exam is good, I suggest all of you to please wait for some days, because if your candidature is considered by the Essential team, definitely they will send you the next update that is related to the task mail. Okay, So if you received the task mail, what is the next process? So soon I will share the step by step process video for all of you that is related to task mail. Okay, so I have to mention one of the most important point, like मैं आपको example देना चाहता हूँ. Suppose आपका suppose you and your friend are from same college. Your interview is completed on 1st July and your friend interview is completed on 29 July, but he got the task mail, you not received the task mail yet. So why? Okay, so because your friend candidature is considered by the essential team. Okay, and if it is by the region wise, location wise, or phase wise. Okay, so because essential team is sending the results in the form of phases, they know that how many number of candidates they will consider in the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Suppose in the phase 1 they consider the so many candidates, in the phase 2 they considered some candidates. Okay, phase is not just like that, like your interview slot. This phase process is very different from the interview. Okay, so if you are waiting for your interview results, I suggest all of you to please apply for other jobs as well. Okay, so on our channel we will share so many different opportunities for all of you. Must apply for this opportunity, don't miss any of the hiring. Okay, so the process is ongoing, don't worry about that. If you not receive the result, and if you still not receive the rejection mail, there is a hope. Okay, there is a hope that you will got also mail, but you have to wait for some time. और मैं आपको मतलब ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि you cannot raise the ticket. You can raise the ticket. Okay, if you wanted to, like if you wanted to know about your interview result status, so you can raise the ticket on the Accenture portal. बट जो वहां पर स्टेटस रहेगा वो सपोर्ट टीम की तरफ से बताया जाएगा. ठीक है, अब वो अगर सिलेक्शन का रहेगा कि आपके पास हम जल्दी आएंगे, मतलब वी विल गेट बैक टू यू सून, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू योर इंटरव्यू स्टेटस. सो बहुत अच्छी बात है. अगर कोई दिक्कत होती है, अगर कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं मिलता है, तो दे विल सेंड द रिजेक्शन मेल. ओके, देयर इज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट. टुमारो, टुमारो हम एक लाइव सेशन करेंगे. वी विल कंडक्ट अ लाइव सेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. So please join that live session. Live session will very helpful for all of you. We can solve your queries that is related to the essential interview results and the other queries. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. And one of the most important point that I have to mention, this is the whole process that is related to the updates. But I suggest all of you to apply for new opportunities as well. If your interview and exam is also good, definitely you can wait for the essential call, but don't stuck with one job opportunity. Apply for other job opportunities as well. Thanks for watching the video.